In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a vanilla Visa gift card on Steam. If you're a gamer looking to add funds to your Steam wallet using a gift card, then you're in the right place. We'll go through each step together, ensuring that you can make the most of your vanilla Visa gift card. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your Steam app. It's important to ensure that you're using the latest version of the app. This will prevent any potential issues that might arise from outdated software. Once you've got Steam open, the next step is to log in. On the top right corner, you'll see the login button. Clicking this will bring up a page where you'll enter your account name and password. Make sure you type in your details carefully to avoid any login problems. After inputting your credentials, press the sign in button. This should take you to your Steam homepage. Here is where the magic happens. At the top right corner, you'll see your profile name. Clicking on it will reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, click on Account Details. This is where you can manage various aspects of your Steam account, including your Steam wallet. Now look for the option that says Add Funds to your Steam wallet. Clicking here will take you to the page where you can choose your method of adding funds. Once you're here, select the Add Funds button. This is where you'll be asked to decide how much you'd like to add to your account. The next step is crucial. When the payment method options appear, you'll want to select Visa as your payment method. This is where you'll be able to use your vanilla Visa gift card. Once Visa is selected, it's time to input your gift card details. Now keep your gift card handy because you'll need to enter the card number, expiration date, and the CVV code located at the back of the card. Be precise with this step to ensure a smooth transaction. Immediately after entering your Visa gift card details, you'll need to fill in your billing information. Usually this includes your name and billing address. It's essential to make sure that this information matches the data linked with your gift card to avoid any hiccups. Finally, it's time to complete the process by clicking on the Continue button. By doing so, you confirm your transaction and add the desired funds to your Steam wallet. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can effortlessly use your vanilla Visa gift card on Steam. Thanks for watching and happy gaming. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more fast and easy guides.